Urchfab. Today I am heading over to see a mate of mine to pick up a tyre machine. He's got a load of old Datsuns, so if you're into Datsuns, you're in for a bit of a treat. He's done what everyone who's into classic cars is trying to do, and that is like find that car that you can pick up cheap, stash it away, and then, you know, leave it for 10, 20 years and it'd be worth a fortune. One in particular that he's got is it's now the last one of these cars in the UK, and the last one that went up for sale sold for 80,000, which is a few quid more than what he paid for it. Yeah, we're going to have a look at that. And there's also another one of his cars I did quite a lot of work on, and I haven't actually seen it since it's been finished, so get to see that as well, so that should be pretty cool. But I will check in when we get there. Hasn't run for 20 years.
Hasn't run for 20 years, mate.
Last time it was good one at the that Players Factory show.
When was that? Last year?
Yeah. Wiggle Factory Terminals. Oh, she's dead.
What letdown?
She's dead at the door now, that battery. I thought that was a good one.
Hang on. Oh. Oh, she's on the button. That's just how a piece of history should be treated. What is this one? What year?
1976.
Is that a Datsun Sunny then?
Bluebird.
Bluebird. This is 1973 Datsun Laurel. So this thing is full track spec. I've done the cage on it quite a while ago now, a few years ago. It's got a really cool dash. The cage connects through the floor, and then the subframe mount bolts are in the bottom of these tubes. It's all pretty solid. Cage goes up through to the strut tops at the front. So that's another 610, same as the yellow one out there, which he's keeping in case he ever needs parts or anything if he crashes his other one. And then this is another Laurel 4-door version of the other one he's got out there, and he's going to be building this into a track car. So I think he's planning on selling the 2-door because it's a lot more valuable, and then this is going to have not sure exactly the full spec at the minute, but I've got it booked in for August for a roll cage. He's had all these cars since he was like 19, 20. BMW M3. Done a cage on this and reinforced all the floor and the boot. You can't really see, but. Huh? I'll take the camera out.
Yeah, it was great. Yeah, it was great.
I just realised I completely forgot to film underneath the bonnet of the Datsun 610. It's got a Nissan SR20 engine in it. I think it's around 300 horsepower, but he's taken that out to a track day in a couple of weeks, so I might head up there and get some footage of it going around the track. But I'm just going to try and drag this out up onto the side, get the airline plugged in. You want to drop that on your toe. That weighs a ton. See how these are all rusted out? That's just going to rip the seals to shreds in there, so let's try and smooth all this off. Okay, so definitely got some air leaks, but it does all work. the air seems to be leaking around these. Alright, seems to be air leaking. Might actually be around the bottom of that thing there. Might try and take that out and see if I can see where that air is leaking from. I just took this one off, put a bit of PTFE around it, but doesn't seem to have done anything. It's kind of hard to know where it's coming from, but I mean it's still all still working, so it'll do. So I've been down, moved a few things in, got my steel rack in there. I'm just trying to work out where everything's going to go. Got my racking up. 2 poster ramps probably going to go in line with that post on this side. So you can just drive straight in and onto it. Well, I got it off. Yeah, slowly just moving stuff in, and I don't want to like rush into just sticking stuff everywhere. I want to try and plan it out so that I don't end up wanting to like move everything. But I think I'm going to have bench, drill, grinder and everything sort of down along this wall, plasma cutter at the end there by the door. But yeah, that's going to be it for this video. Let me know if you're interested in seeing more of the cars that I've worked on in the past. I've got quite a few mates that have got some cool cars, so if you're interested in those kind of videos, let me know in the comments, and if you want to see it, I'll try and do more of that style of video and fit it in with everything else. But yeah, that's going to be it for this one. Just watching. Till the next one.